Chia seeds, tiny, unassuming, yet hailed as a superfood. But what really happens when they're eaten every single morning? Over 14 days, the results were surprising, and some were completely unexpected. Stick around, because this could change the way breakfast is done forever. These little seeds can do more than just sit in a smoothie bowl. They might actually transform energy, digestion, skin, and even heart health. Packed with fiber, protein, omega-3s, and antioxidants, chia seeds may seem small, but their impact can be enormous. Over the next 2 weeks, just a spoonful each morning revealed some remarkable, noticeable changes. By the end, it's clear why so many nutritionists call chia seeds a superfood, and how they could become a secret weapon for a healthier morning routine. 1. Trains energy and hunger control. 2 tablespoons in lemon water made mornings feel lighter. Almost immediately, there's a sense of satisfaction, without feeling heavy. Day 2 to 3, energy levels rise noticeably. That usual mid-morning slump, almost gone. Why does this happen? Chia seeds absorb liquid and expand in the stomach, creating a feeling of fullness. By day 5 to 6, skipping snacks becomes effortless. The body starts adjusting. Hunger cues naturally reduce. By day 7, the effect is undeniable. No more reaching for mid-morning biscuits or coffee just to keep going. Energy becomes steady instead of relying on quick sugar fixes. Tip: mix chia seeds into a morning smoothie or sprinkle over yogurt. It takes seconds, but keeps the stomach full for hours. 2. Digestion and gut health. Chia seeds act as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in the gut. Within the first week, bloating reduces, bowel movements become more regular, digestion feels lighter and smoother. Even soaking chia overnight or adding them to cereal or smoothies makes a surprising difference. The gut starts to feel calmer, and discomfort after meals decreases. Fun fact: the gel-like texture of soaked chia not only aids digestion, but also slows sugar absorption, helping maintain steady energy throughout the morning. By day 10 to 12, digestion becomes consistent. Unpredictable stomach issues fade away. These seeds basically train the digestive system to work more efficiently. 3. Skin and anti-aging. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, which fight free radicals. These are the tiny molecules that damage cells and speed up aging. After 2 weeks, skin looks more hydrated and glowy, fine lines appear less noticeable, complexion appears even and radiant. Even a spoonful a day can help. Add it to oatmeal, smoothies, or sprinkle on fruit bowls. Over time, the skin doesn't just feel better, it shows visible signs of nourishment from within. Extra tip: pair chia with a glass of water first thing in the morning. This helps flush toxins, hydrate the skin, and maximize absorption of nutrients. 4. Heart health. The omega-3s in chia are heart-friendly, lowering bad cholesterol and supporting healthy blood pressure. By the second week, subtle improvements in energy appear. Recovery after exercise becomes quicker. Overall cardiovascular health benefits from steady nutrient intake. Adding chia to smoothies, juices, or cereals is one of the simplest ways to support heart health daily. Even just sprinkling them on a morning cereal can have long-term benefits. Fun fact: ancient civilizations used chia for endurance and stamina, so heart and energy systems naturally get a boost. 5. Bones, muscles, and nutrients. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, perfect for strong bones and faster muscle recovery. By day 14, muscles feel less sore after workouts, body feels more resilient, general fatigue decreases. Just 1 ounce provides nearly 20% of the daily calcium requirement, an easy way to strengthen bones without extra supplements. Tip: mix chia into protein shakes or post-workout smoothies. Muscles and bones will thank you. 6. Blood sugar control. Chia slows sugar absorption, helping prevent sharp spikes after breakfast. After 2 weeks, meals feel more balanced. Energy crashes after carbs are reduced. Mid-morning fatigue almost disappears. Pair chia with oatmeal, smoothies, or lemon water. It's an effortless habit for stable blood sugar and lasting energy. Extra tip: even when eating bread or cereal, adding a spoon of chia can reduce the impact of carbs on blood sugar. Quick ways to add chia to the day: mix with water or lemon juice for a morning gel. Sprinkle over yogurt, cereal, or fruit. Blend into smoothies, shakes, or juices. Add to overnight oats for an easy breakfast. Even small amounts make a difference. It's consistency over time that counts. After 14 days, chia seeds prove their power. More energy, better digestion, glowing skin, heart support, stronger bones, balanced blood sugar. Just a spoonful every morning can make a huge difference. Imagine 30, 60, or even 90 days. The results could be astonishing. Don't underestimate these tiny seeds. They might be the superfood mornings have been missing. Start tomorrow, stick with it, and watch what happens. Tiny seeds, massive results.